Here we go. Ooh!
Hey Google, cook with tasty.
What does that mean?
They come with the Google Home Mini.
It does!
I have one at home. It's
Well, then I get this.
all right. Let's unbox everything.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Yeah, we unboxed everything. There are so many stuff.
So much stuff in that box. You have a whole set of pans, which is awesome because not only would you get like a matching set of pans, but you get a lot of different kinds of pans.
Yeah, and I love the color. How many colors does it come? 3.
3 colors. Ooh.
I like red.
You like the red?
Yeah.
This is a very sexy pot, I must say. So we actually use these pots and pans in the Tasty Kitchen currently. You might have seen them in a few of our videos. But they're so great because not only do they have the heat-safe silicone handles, they also have a really great non-stick surface. I've even made like a really sticky caramel inside of here and it slipped right out. So you know it works.
One thing make me very excited is this ceramic bowl.
The ceramic bowls, and really useful. You can use these for like microwaving, maybe for like a little snack. Oh! If you've ever watched a Tasty video, you probably recognize these. I'm obsessed with them.
I love using them because I want to measure out everything. Prep is very important for cooking. And how much is it?
99.
What?
99?
Wow.
Is that like a mistake? I feel like there's something wrong.
Yeah.
I've always wanted a Google Mini, and not only is it super cute and cool, you can actually cook with it with Tasty. So it'll be like you're right there in the kitchen with me. Always. Always together. Maybe this is my new stepping stone into adulthood. Matching pans.
Yeah. I have a cousin who is going to go college soon. So I think it's a great gift for college kids.
For sure.
You know, to start cooking.
So where can you buy all this stuff?
Walmart.
Ooh!
Cool.
That's awesome because Walmarts are everywhere. They're all around the country.
There are so many things we should share with our tasty producers.
Yeah, let's share it all. I'm gonna keep the Google Home Mini.
That's fine, I already have one. Right, good job unboxing.
Get your Tasty 30% online.